Okay guys, in that box we got some parts that I've been trying to find forever since I got the Firebird, guys. When I bought the car, guys, obviously it had the light motors had an issue, so I had to rebuild the motors. Now I'm working with trying to wire them up because it has newer motors that came on the car. Well, this one is newer. This is the original one, but I still can't get it to let up and down because of the wiring on this vehicle is kind of screwed up. So I'm probably gonna run relays on them and figure out. But I believe they had a relay switch for these lights to go up and down. Let me show you guys, because I have yet to find out what this switch is for. It's connected to a relay though. There's a relay this runs to, but I don't know what the relay runs to. When I do it, when I turn it on, when the car is on, doesn't anything. This is for the line lock. But yeah, I don't know what this switch is for. And worst case scenario, I can possibly use this for the lights. Maybe it was for the lights. I installed a new switch. There's a video on the channel for the new switch installation and me rebuilding those motors precisely. So, but today, when I bought the cars, like I said, obviously somebody was having an issue with the lights because they removed the bezels and they never installed them. So I got the car with missing bezels. I gotta get a screw for this too. So I'm gonna raise them manually and see how the new bezels I found, which is in really good condition too, guys. So both of these motors are perfect. Just missing the bezel. These from 83 like this one, guys. So here they go. I don't have any bolts for them, but we're gonna find something to make work. 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts. So we're gonna remove these labels from off of here, guys. I got a really good deal on them, guys. I didn't pay $45 each for them. I got a really good deal on them. And we're gonna install them to make these look really good. I believe I can install them. Well, maybe not. I may have to remove them to install them. Look at this, guys, because the bolt is there. And I can't, as far as they go up. These two bolts are easy, and I can get this one. So, those two. But I mean, I don't have a bolt here. I can probably get this one easy. I can install this one. But we're gonna see how they look on here. So let me remove these guys, and we're gonna see these labels, and we're gonna see how they look on here. Okay, I managed to get this one on. Like I said, there's no bolt here, so I got some play. But this one's not going on. So I'm gonna remove this really quick and put this on. Okay, guys, I loosened all the bolts. So even I got the bezel on here now. So now I can just take the swivel and go in here and tighten the bottom one back up. Okay, guys, I had a bunch of these screws. I was able to get that one. Kind of crack right there. Got that one. The only ones I wasn't able to get, got those. Was got that one. There's that one right there. So I'm gonna have to raise it up some, lift it up just a little bit to get this, and I should be good. But it looks good now. So now when the lights raise down, we can see the Pontiac, and that look nice. So we're gonna start this thing up too, guys, and see. Take it for a little spin. Kids back there playing. And today the 4th of July, guys. So lots of fireworks. Happy 4th of July to you guys. Lots of fireworks activities today locally. So let me like I said, I'm waiting on the relay to come. Just in case I can't get that one to work, I'm gonna relay those lights for right now. But this thing needs to wash. So let me let's get a start up on it. Let's get a cold start really quick after 3 days up. So we're gonna move this out the way and we're gonna pull the air rock out of here, guys, too. So, all right, let's see what we got. Cold start. Gonna give it a little gas. Pump it 3 times. She'll go on first try. So make it flooded. Yeah, racing gas. We got racing gas in this thing, guys. So let's set these down. We're gonna go for a spin. Man, that looks good, guys. Oh my God. About 90 degrees today, guys. So I'm driving. I want to know how hot is it gonna get, because it was getting hot at times. So I'm gonna go too far from the house. I'm gonna just make sure it's okay. I don't want it to get hot on me and I'll be stranded somewhere. This thing drives great. Made it back to the house. It is kind of getting hot, about 200, 210, around that range. Get the fans going off, electric fan, to let this thing cool off. I say it's about 90, 92 degrees out here today. Now I'm gonna wash it up and everything, and kind of clean the inside up to see how bad these. Try to clean the inside up a little bit, guys. But yeah, this thing getting hot. As expected, though. So let's get the Camaro out, guys. So we're gonna get the Camaro out right now, guys, and get that going for a little bit, take that for a spin. It'll be a separate video though. I want to make these videos too long. So the Camaro, both Camaros gonna be separate videos. So we getting both of those out today since it's so nice out. 4th of July, got a little time to kind of get those things out and washed up a little bit and cleaned off a little bit because they've been sitting for a minute. So I'm curious to test the Z28 out because just did a tune-up on it, spark plugs, wires. That was the last thing I needed to do to it. So don't see how that performed since I've done those things. So let's go get that out right now, guys, and then we're gonna go from there.